15 days to YouTube monetization. Unlock 4,000 watch hours quickly, full script. Intro, midnight to 1:30. Hey everyone. Rocket welcome to 15 days to YouTube monetization. Unlock 4,000 watch hours quickly. If you're aiming for 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, it might seem tough. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through proven strategies to make it happen fast. The monetization requirement breakdown 1:30 to 3:15. First, let's break down YouTube's monetization requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Watch hours mean the total time people spend watching your videos. So focus on content that keeps viewers watching longer. Best strategies for gaining watch hours. 3:15 to 5 o'clock. How can you quickly increase watch hours? 1. Create longer, valuable videos. 2. Share your videos across different platforms. 3. Engage with your audience by replying to comments. 4. Consider live streams, which can generate a lot of watch hours quickly. Content ideas to skyrocket views. 5 to 7:30. Your video topics should attract viewers. Some examples: top tips or tutorials, short, engaging stories, educational or informative content, trending topics. Remember, your content must be original and useful for your audience. How YouTube Shorts can help. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. YouTube Shorts are a great way to grow your channel fast. Shorts take less time to make but can bring huge views and new subscribers. Try to post daily or weekly shorts consistently. Importance of community engagement. 9 to 10:30. Interacting with your subscribers is key. Reply to comments, listen to their feedback, and provide useful content for them. This not only increases views but also builds loyalty to your channel. Collaborating with other creators. 10:30 to 12 o'clock. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This helps you reach new audiences. Collaborations can be in joint videos, shorts, or live streams. It's an effect.